How to uninstall Easy Home Screen app. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you the easiest method of uninstalling Easy Home Screen app on your mobile device. Now, common issues are people usually go into their mobile phone settings, typing in apps, now choosing apps, and then in here, the one that is currently indicated as your apps. What is commonly happening here is if they are trying to look for easy home screen application under the apps field, they are not able to find it. The reason behind that is because they can go into choose default apps, and what usually happens is um, easy home screen app is actually set it up into default home screen. So what you need to do is you need to switch the current built-in home screen application that you have on your mobile device first, like this one, and then from there you should now then be able to look for the easy home screen application where you can easily uninstall it. And that's it. That is how easy and quick you can uninstall easy home screen application.